Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crème brûlée cake. First, let's start with the cake base. You'll want to prepare a delicious vanilla cake batter, aiming for a light and fluffy texture. Divide the batter evenly into two 8-inch round cake pans. Bake them until they are beautifully golden and a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once baked, let those lovely cake layers cool completely on a wire rack. This ensures they're ready for the next exciting step. Now for the star of the show, the creamy crème brûlée custard. In a bowl, whisk together 6 large egg yolks, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt until the mixture is light and pale. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 2 cups of heavy cream with 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste until it just begins to simmer. Slowly temper the hot cream into the egg mixture, then cook over low heat until it thickens. Chill this delightful custard for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. With your cake layers cooled and your custard perfectly chilled, it's time to assemble this masterpiece. First, level your cake layers to ensure a nice, flat surface. Place 1 cake layer onto your chosen serving plate or cake stand. Now, take that wonderfully firm crème brûlée custard and spread a generous, even layer over the first cake. Carefully place the second cake layer on top, pressing down gently to make sure it's secure. The grand finale is creating that iconic, crunchy brulee topping. Sprinkle about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar evenly over the entire top surface of your assembled cake. Now, grab your kitchen torch and carefully caramelize the sugar until it turns a beautiful golden brown and becomes bubbly. Let this caramelized sugar cool completely. It will harden into a wonderfully crisp shell. Serve your stunning crème brûlée cake immediately, or chill it briefly to keep that perfect crunch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.